Sveiki! Ir pienācis Kojas šefa 4. raidījums. Un šodien mēs esam Āzenes ielas Kojās. Un šodien mūsu komandās ir arī ārzemju studenti. Lūdzu, lai viņi ar sevi iepazīstina tagad.
So my name is Sami, I come from France, and today I will cook for you chicken with some spicy. It's an old Algerian dish for especially for Beijing. I hope you like, and I hope we all enjoy.
Hello, my name is Sarah. I'm from France too, Paris, and I am in the same team as Sami.
What's the name of your team?
And the name of the team is Cool Team.
Cool
Tell why?
That's why, because cool is in Arabic is eat, so make the
No, it's French.
So is the same phonetic cool. Okay.
So it's a play of words.
Yeah. Thank you, Sally.
Thank you, Sami. Thank you, guys.
And the other team, please.
Hello, our team name is Taiwan Guys, and I'm Yuki.
I'm Chandler.
Today the food we would like to prepare is fried rice.
This is what we eat in our daily life in Taiwan, so we want to make the food to everyone to taste it. Yeah, because I really like the Taiwan's food really much, so that's why I want to share it. Yeah, thank you very much.
Thank you, guys. I would like to remind you that you have 1 hour to cook this and make it presentable, and I think we can start. Good luck.
Okay.
Sami, you're quite rushing. Why are you so quick on this?
Chill,
Why are you doing it so quickly? You have 1 hour to do it.
1 hour in the kitchen is very fast.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So you like cooking, as you mentioned previously?
For what?
You like cooking?
Yeah, like in my home in France, it's me who cook for my family.
Your whole family? How many people is that?
5.
5 people!
5, and I have the daughter of my sister.
Oh my god!
2 little daughters.
And you keep cooking for all of them?
Yeah.
How long have you been in Latvia?
3 months.
2 months.
I prefer Latvia than Paris, bigger than Paris, because
oh, seriously?
yeah, no stress.
No.
Paris has very stressed people, but it's beautiful city.
Yeah,
That Riga has stressed people.
Huh?
No.
Yeah, stress. Parisian is typically of Parisian people. Always stressed.
Oh yeah, we can see that, how you're like...
Always stressed Parisian people.
So, Taiwanese guys, how are you doing? What are you doing?
Cut
So, but what are you doing? Oh my god!
I'm giving rice for a spa.
You're visiting a rice spa.
Skill and Taiwanese teacher.
So he's like a master.
We put
Eggs.
Egg.
What is it called? The yellow part.
Yolk.
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 Yolk. Yeah, we just put the
yolk.
yolk inside the rice.
Okay. Oh, and the second. Are you gonna cook it afterwards?
We'll fry it.
Oh. How many eggs did you put in? 2, 3?
3 eggs.
Okay.
How many people to eat this? And we put
Oh, that many eggs.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh yeah? And put it, behind the skin. Oh my god, that looks a bit wrong, but fine. Wow, never seen that.
No one eats the skin.
Filme. No.
Because no one eats the skin?
No, it's gonna be more saturated.
Yeah, more flavor.
Yeah.
They keep flavor.
I've never seen anyone done this. Wow, sorry.
Like that. It's like a pocket.
It's like a pocket. Wow, that looks so good. Yuki, is that your real name?
Yeah.
Oh, wait, is that like a nickname?
Yeah, Yuki is nickname.
What's your Taiwanese name?
Yoshi.
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 Oh. It reminds me of Pokemon. I don't know why.
Pokemon.
Yeah, like Pokemon. The game, the animation series that was popular. Pokemon. Do you know?
No.
Go catch 'em all. Pokemon. Yeah.
I know. Let's go Pokemon.
Yeah, we were talking that their name kind of that Yuki's name reminds me of Pokemon.
Pokemon.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's sounds like a Japanese.
I'm being really racist. Sorry, guys. So you two gonna be rivals, and you two gonna compete in sandwich fights. Like, who's gonna make 5 sandwiches the fastest?
5 sandwich.
3, 2, 1, go! Quickly! Like, imagine you're rushing in the morning, you're gonna be late. You don't have to make it perfect.
Like this?
Yeah, sure. Oh, Yuki is in lead. I would be worried, Chandler. No stress, but no, you're in the lead. Chandler, you're too. No, Chandler won.
Yeah.
That's it.
Yeah.
Wow, Chandler, go. You can finish the last one off. Nice. This is what you won. Congratulations.
Oh, okay, thank
you can make burgers. Congratulations.
Nice, yeah.
So the teams have finished their meals? No. Dishes. Yeah, thank you, Sammy. Okay, thanks guys. And now you have to leave the room because there's gonna be the jury.
Drop that bitch on her head like bang.
Labdien! Es mani sauc Puķis. Esmu Mārtiņa Rītiņa un Mārtiņa Sirmā un Mārtiņa Pavēlnieka un Mārtiņa Skārtiņa 15. pakāpes mazmeita. Arī profesionāli iedots legit papīrs no www.vēliet kļūt par foodiju revieweri.lv edu. Esmu šeit, lai novērtētu koju šefu.
Tagad laiks žūrijas vērtējumam. Lūdzu, žūriju ar sevi iepazīstināt.
Es esmu Salī, tā kā koju šefu vadītāji.
Sveiciens! Mani sauc Puķis. Es esmu spontāni piesaistītā koju vecākā. Brīvajā laikā es spēlēju veždēli.
Un es esmu vienkārši namējs.
Žūrija, kā jau vienmēr, komandu veikumu vērtēs 3 kategorijās – izskats, garša un oriģinalitāte. Katrā kategorijā 5 balles. Sāksim ar Saliju.
Mērcīta, zaļa, interesanta izvēle. Gaļa, laba un mīksta. Arī bišķi apcepta, kraukšķīga. Es teiktu 3,5. Oriģinalitāte par tām olīvēm. Tas, kā viņš viņus pagatavoja, kā viņš tur tā kā speciāli vārīja, lai tiktu vaļā no tādas sāls, kas tur bija iekšā, kā viņš man skaidroja. Riktīgi interesants paņēmiens, tikai tāpēc viens ielikšu 5 punktus. Un es par garšu liktu 4, jo man tomēr bišķi negaršo olīvas.
Es domāju par oriģinalitāti. 4. Izskats. Man liekas, tur nedaudz par daudz tas zaļais. Varēja bišķi mazāk tās olīvas būt. Un tad būtu ok, tur es domāju 4,5 un garša. Vista bija rītīgi garšīga, olīvas es pilnībā neēdu, tā kā viņas labi izskatās, bet negaršo galīgi, tāpēc es domāju 4 būs ok.
Ir situācija. Tā mērcīte, ja es sabijos, ka tās ir skābenes. Tās nebija skābenes. Varbūt pat derēja skābenes, es nezinu. Tās olīvas patiešām, es nezinu, ko viņas tur dara. Un šobrīd izskats izstās kā karalovs, drīzāk kā tāds vecmāmīgs bumbierenis. Pēc žāvētāja izkarināts pavasardienā. Es dotu garšai 3. Izskatam 3. Oriģinalitāte 3. Man patīk olīvas, bet man viņas negaršo.
Un tagad žūrija sniegs savu vērtējumu par otru komandas ēdienu. Lūdzu, vārds žūrijai.
Oriģinalitāte. Tie rīsi par oriģinalitāti es liktu 3. Varbūt jūs jau no sākuma redzējāt, tā bija tā kā kaudze ar rīsiem. Domāju, 3,5. Un garša bija tīri labi, tāda interesanta rīsi. Šādas es īsti nebiju ēdis, tāpēc es domāju, 4 varētu būt, jā.
Es teiktu par oriģinalitāti, es teiktu, ka 3, bet par garšu es iedošu 4. Par izskatu, baigi netradicionālais, tāda piramīda, kas tiecas uz augšu, uz perfekcionismu. 5.
Jā, diemžēl par izskatu vērtējums rīsi nepastāv. Kā jau kolēģi ļoti akcentē, to tie ir rīsi. Oriģinalitāte, es dodu tādu solidu 4. Tu atnāc pēc hardcoreīgas augstākās matemātikas un pierīja savas emocijas ar šo. Un garšas ziņā no sākuma bija cool, bet tad ļoti piegriezās pipari, tāpēc ļoti nāca palīgā šis. Patiešām tā kā šis 3,5.
Thank you guys for having us here. Thanks for participating. And we wanted to say a huge thank you from the head organizers, RTU Student Parliament. So thank you guys. And we also wanted to remind you that you should share the video so everybody votes for you. Also, people back home can vote for you just by tagging your name and surname in the comments. So, and may the best win. Thanks, guys.
You're welcome.